Okay, this is the division part of your homework for tonight. So if I divide both of these numbers by 2, is it still a true statement? Oops. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Is negative 2 less than negative 1? Yes, it's further to the left of 0, so I keep the sign. 18 and 6, if I divide each of those by negative 3, 18 divided by negative 3, I'm going to do it this way so you can see. 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. So if I were to rewrite this, negative 6, and the sign the way it was originally, like this, is negative 6 greater than or equal to negative 2? No, I would have to reverse. Aiden's going to help us with the next one. Write it just like I did. 20 over negative 5. There you go. Over negative 5. What does that equal? Do you know? I'll help you. Negative 4. Good. Equals negative 4. Let's write it out so everybody can see. The next one is 10 divided by negative 5. Write it in the same way. 10 divided by negative 5. What's that? Now we're going to rewrite these two numbers with our inequality sign. Negative 4, and the original sign was greater than, and negative 2. Aiden, is negative 4 greater than negative 2? Is it going to be warmer outside if it's negative 4 degrees or negative 2? Very good. So is this true? No. Put a line through it and write the word reverse. Beautiful. Now you're going to do the same thing with the next one. Negative 16 over 8. Okay. 24 divided by 8. Beautiful. Now we're going to rewrite the inequality sign. Negative 2 is less than 3. Is negative 2 less than 3?
Yes.
Yes, so we keep. Can you do me a big favor? Notice the 2 that we reversed the sign. What kinds of numbers did we divide by? Negative. Can you circle those for us? So can you tell everybody when should they reverse the sign?
When you reverse the sign when you divide.
By what?
A negative.
Good. Can you write that down for us? Reverse the sign when you divide by a negative.
Should I go like this? I already like know that like what sounds good there. I can't remember.
You know what? You bring your stuff right now. They have a whole list. Okay? Bring it right to guidance. And they'll tell you about it. All right. Reverse the sign when you have a negative number that you are dividing. It has to be when you're dividing or when you are multiplying that we reverse the sign. When you are dividing, that you are dividing. Nice, Aiden. Okay, hit the triangle. Just tap it. Put your hand on the black.
There we go. And nice